Hello everyone, this is Pat and welcome to my channel. This video I want to share with you how I went from this to this. I started puberty period since I was 10. This was too early, right? At that time when a lot of people saw me, they didn't say hello, but they said, "What happened to your face? Why didn't you take care of yourself?" I thought they just want to blame me or just want to sell their products. Everything has a cost. I did my best, but I don't have that much money. So, tips today are completely free. It was my own experience. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're ready, let's get into it. First, I want to start from the time when I wake up. I always wake up before 7 every morning, even holiday and weekend. I've been waking up at this time since I was 15 years old. When I went to see a dermatologist for the first time because my cousin forced me to have a treatment. The dermatologist said my body produced some hormone too much and it caused pimples. So I woke up to do activities to reduce these hormones. But you know that after I've been in a treatment for about a year, it was so well, but my family can't afford me anymore. Then I have to live with pimples again. The second is regular bowel movements. Simple tips, right? As within, so without. Don't forget to clean your makeup before going to bed. And don't even try to rub your face. I feel the pain. Please don't do that. It's not the best way to clean your face and it causes more inflammation. If you can feel it, I want to give you a big hug. Next, I always look up to the ceiling when I wash my hair. Shampoo can also cause pimples. If you want to change your shampoo, that's a good idea. Next one, avoid using these ingredients. We rather move to the next tips quickly. I don't want to give you too much information. I know you can find this advice when you're searching for it, but anyway, you better look for the ingredients before buying products. Or if you don't know it before, that's okay. Don't blame yourself. Just read the label and don't use that product again. Activities are important. I do activities and exercise enough to reduce excess hormones. You can do any activity, hard work or exercise. I don't like to move, you guys, but it helps me a lot. I don't like to run, I don't like to play ball. I like to do yoga and build muscles in some part of my body. So, what's your favorite sport or activity? Let's comment to share with your friends. Next tips is drink enough water. And please don't grouping juice, tea or other drink as water. When I was a child, I never drink enough water. I can't drink 2 to 3 liters per day or 8 cups as I saw on the internet. I thought this amount was too much for me. I can't do this every day. So I calculated with this formula to make sure I want to do it consistently. Wash everything that touch your face often. A lot of people told me, don't touch your face. I can't do that, I'm so sorry. I just wash my hands more often to touch it. And yes, I mean everything. Your hands, clothes, towels, pillowcases, bedsheet. My often is not your often. Only you know your situation. Just try it to see the difference. Next is my hardest part in this video. I have to reduce sugar and I don't mean to stop. I cannot stop eating sweet because I love sweet taste so much. Then I plan to eat only one sweet or drink a day. Try to reduce the amount of sweet or try to reduce the amount of sugar. Sugar is the best food for bacteria and bacteria causes inflamed acne. You can help your immune system by don't sleep too late. Our bodies have a system to clean things up fighting with bacteria, which means if your immune system is strong enough, it will protect your skin from infection. And we are now at the last part of this video. I can conclude my tips into 2 groups for you to understand it easier. Reduce causes and improve immune system. I have to say that changing lifestyle is not easy at all, but once you did it, you will say thank you to yourself. Last but not least, remember me, sweetie. All success needs your effort and time. If you give yourself love and care, it will give you back one day. Be patient for the best result. I hope this video can help you out. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment to share what you think, and share my content to who you think they will get benefits from it. So, thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in my next makeup short and video. Bye!